Welcome to Pydle Day 141. Pydle is a daily puzzle you need to solve by writing Python code. If you haven't played Pydle before, then I usually solve the previous day's Pydle, so you can get some hints how to solve Pydle. Today's Pydle is a toilet, so see if you can see that. It's kind of the white, and then the seat is yellow. So have a go at solving this, but as I said, I'll now solve yesterday's Pydle, so follow along for some hints. Okay, so we've got the Pepsi logo. I don't know how good that is in your eyes. Anyway, it does not matter because that's our Pydle. So let's start with the whites. So we know we're gonna need the Pepsi text, so let's just create that to start with. Okay, Pepsi, and then we're just gonna have our two loops for X in range, for Y in range, 5, so 5 columns, 5 rows. Okay, so where is where are the white pixels? So in the corners and then in the middle row. Okay, so to start with, we say if y equals 2. Okay, so let's just do that. Okay, that's the middle row. And then we can say or y in, we can create a tuple 0, 2 and x in 0, 2. Okay, so it's only for those corner pixels. That's 0, 4. Sorry, I made a mistake. Okay, so we've got the outline of the logo now. Okay, so those are the whites. Okay, and we just need an else. We'll deal with the text in a minute. So Pydle x, y, no character. Okay, so red if y less than 2, else blue. Okay, and now all we need is the text for Pepsi, and we only need text. So if we do like px, because that's what we did, we can basically by x the index, we can fill in the pixels. What would happen if we do that? Let's have a look. Okay, so we'll get the p and the I in the corners as well. So we need to say px if y equals 2, else. Okay, so just to recap, one technique that's quite common to solve a Pydle is to loop through all the x and the y's, and then have like if statements for the different colors. So I've got an if statement there for all the whites, and then I've got an else statement for all the reds and the blues, and then we fill in the characters as well. Okay, that solves the Pydle. If you haven't solved it yourself, then have a go. Otherwise, try and solve the Pydle of the day, which is a toilet today. Hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you again tomorrow.